Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic which has changed my trading career and I hope it will change for you also. Before going to the topic, don't miss to watch the full video so that you won't miss anything in it. Now once we'll revise about our last video, see in our last video we got to know that once the yesterday's high has been taken out, it will be difficult to come for the low. Yes, it will happen more than 80% of the time. Okay, and here you can see the previous day high has been taken out and the low also has been taken out. It will happen only for 20% of the time. So what I am going to say here is we should be on 80% side because the accuracy will be more. Now we will update it even more. Coming to the point, see we will take any day high low. Okay, for example I'll take the day. Okay, see this is the low. Here we can see the high of the day. Okay, as we discussed, once if the low has been taken out, it will be difficult to come for the high level. Okay, and once the low has been taken out, if market moves inside this low, it will be a sideways or it will stop somewhere else. Okay, in our last video we had discussed. Today what we'll know the same concept even better. Okay, here we can see the day low has been taken out. Okay, if the market comes inside the day, we can see it will be difficult to go for down also and it will be difficult to go for up also. See here, it will happen most of the time. Okay, and if we want to see any trend on downside, the market should not go above this low. At that time we can see huge fall. Please note this. And here we can see the market gone inside and we can see the falling also was not so fast. It has not taken the low also. It has been reversed back. We can see here. We will see a lot more examples like this. See here, this was a previous day high. Okay. Here we can see previous day low. See what happened, the market has not taken out. See, the market has not taken yesterday's high. Okay, see here, it has not been taken yesterday low also. At this time what will happen if the market breaks above this, we can see a big movement. See here, the market has not taken yesterday's low. If we have entered somewhere here else, we can expect a big target on that day because the low has not been taken out. So there is a possibility to move upside more till this I rejects and some price accepts here. We can see and wait for the big target. Okay, here another thing I want to say, see here previous day high and previous day low. See here we can see once the price has been taken yesterday's high and if the price comes and accept below the yesterday's high and low, if the it is playing below the yesterday's high and low, we can't see the movement again on the upside more. Okay, see the price already taken yesterday's high, it came and accepted below the yesterday's range and we can't see movement on upside. So what I'm going to say here, if you get a less target also, once the price goes up and rejects back, if you see the sell, it will be better. Yes, once the I has been rejected, at least we can go for sell. How much target you get, it's enough if you target below this range only, because what will happen, already the high has been taken out, it will be difficult to take the low also. Okay, here one point we want to note. Okay, and I will show you another example. In our telegram channel I have shared about Maruti company on I don't know the date, we will check it. I have entered here I just put entered here, my stop loss was there. Why I entered for this company, we'll know now. Okay, see, I have taken trade on 24 June. Why I have taken the trade on the day on the buy side, we will know now. Okay, see, market is one time framing. See, one time framing is low is not taking out, you can see previous low is not taking out, you can see here. Like this, the market was one time framing. Here we can see Nifty 50 opened above the yesterday's high, and also auto sector also opened above yesterday's high, and the price still not accepted below this range. You can see here Nifty 50 also not came below the range when I entered. Okay, here we want to know Maruti was one time framing on upside. See, no lows are taking out. You can see here low is not taking out, low is not taking out. Okay, done. Here also the low was not taken out on this particular candle. You can see the low, you can check here, the low was 5862 and this day low was 5862.55. here we can see 5862.70, means 15 paisa difference. Okay, so what I did, I just taken an entry over there somewhere here and I placed my stop loss here. Why I has taken is market is one time framing. Okay, if the market has not taken this low, I would get good money on upside. So it will be my best risk reward. So I has taken the trade. And another thing we want to note that after the when the Nifty 50 came below yesterday's range, and also we can see auto also came below yesterday's range. Here we want to note another thing, in daily chart the market is one time framing on upside, right? See, the market was one time framing on upside. You can see these buyers who bought in this market, they didn't give up till the one time frame get breaches. We'll see now in 5-minute chart. We'll mark this low. See, this was the first day it has been taken the low of previous day. You can check here. See, after taking that low, see the movement, how the market has been fallen. Till that time, the buyers who bought in that market, they didn't give up. Once the lower low happened, immediately they gave up. We saw then big movement on downside. Like this, most of the time it will happen. If the one time framing fades, we can see the down move. Till that we can't see the down move. Okay, and today we will check about private bank. We will get a very good example. See, today we will check the market has been taken yesterday's high and private bank also taken yesterday's high. Okay, after coming inside we didn't see any movement on upside and downside also. Okay, now we'll go and check about the all banks in private sector. Okay, here we can see ICICI Bank has been taken yesterday's high. Here we can see Axis Bank also taken yesterday's high. Indus Indian Bank also taken yesterday's high. Okay, Kotak Bank not taken yesterday's high. See, yesterday's high was here. We'll just check it out. HDFC Bank also not taken yesterday's high. Here we want to know that, see, only two banks has not taken yesterday's high, Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank. So here I got, what I am going to say is, if the market has not taken yesterday's high, we can see a big movement on upside. And if you have any formula like simple moving average, RSI, etc., if you follow these steps, you will get a big movement. See, here the high has been not taken out, and if in your 20 moving average something is showing buy for you, and if you taken an entry over there, you can see a big movement on upside. Okay, if you avoid if the price taken yesterday's high and coming near your simple moving average or RSI anything, and if you go for trade on buy, better you can avoid the trade. At that time, what will happen? It will save your money. Once the high has been taken out, it will be difficult to go and make another high. Okay, and if the high has been taken out, better if you go sell, it will be better. If you have any formula on selling, you can go for sell. After getting to know about these concepts, my trading career has been changed. Okay, if you didn't understand about the concepts, watch the video again and again, because it's a very important topic. And don't miss to follow the Telegram channel, which I shared the link below this video. And also don't miss to subscribe the videos, guys, so that you won't miss any further videos. I hope you all understood the topic. We'll meet in our next video.